Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the numbers of a scanned document. Well, unlike text documents, you can't just change the text or contents of a scanned document. So in order to change any content of a scanned document, you first have to convert that document into an image document. Initially it can be a PDF document, but for it to be editable, you'll have to convert it to a image document. It can be in any format, JPEG, PNG, or any other format, but it has to be an image. Now once you convert it to image format, you'll have to open it with Photoshop and edit the numbers manually. For example, here in the first line, check hash 81105,861. Let's say this number is to be changed with this following number 816. This 6 here is different from the initial one. Now in order to edit this number with and replace it with this one, all we have to do is remove this one and put a 6 in its place. Now in order to put a 6 in its place, what we have to do is bring a 6 from somewhere else of this document with the same style and format and impose it on this one. So here there is a 6 in the same line. We can just copy this 6. This will be done like this. You'll have to first select the select tool and then select the 6 carefully so that other numbers don't, or any other thing doesn't get in it, and then try to select it as sharp as possible, as little as possible, without any extra excerpt. Now make a copy, layer via copy. Here this layer 5 is our copy of 6. Select the move tool, and from here now we have a new 6. We can just put it here in place of 1. If you're concerned about alignment, then you can use this ruler tool to align it properly. Here it is aligned properly. We don't need the help of ruler tool, but still we can see without even the ruler that this 6 is properly imposed. Now let's say here in the second line, second and third, this date has to be changed with the following date. The initial date is 10/28/19 and it has to be replaced with 10/28/20. The same goes for the third line. So select the, so all you have to do is replace this 20 and replace this 19 with 20. So select a 2. Here we are selecting a 2. Select this 2, make a layer out of it, and now you can just drag the 2 and put it in place of 1. It seems alright. We can check with the alignment layer. Yes, it's fine now. Now let's find a 0. We have a 0 in the same line as well. So let's make a copy of this 0 as well. Layer via copy. Sorry, you will have to select the layer which the 0 belongs to before you can make a copy of it. So now layer via copy and put the 0 in place of 9. Fix the alignment. Yeah, it's properly aligned now. Yes. And as you can see, there's a little black spot of the initial or original 9. So select the original page which all this belongs to and the same color of the page, and just draw a little on it. I have drawn a little too much, just a little, so that those extra areas go away. So, and at the same time, now you can just merge all these layers. Yeah, you can just now merge all these layers together, merge layers. And as we have to replace this 19 with 20 as well, now just select this 20 as we have merged it, it can be copied from here directly and put it on this 19. And here now we have replaced all the numbers as required. Here the 6 is replaced. Previously there was probably 1, and here it was 19, replaced with 20. The same goes for here. So that's how you can edit scan documents and replace numbers or text however you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching.